I just put a handful of margarine sticks in the bag. It's probably the grossest thing I've ever touched. Oh. Got this last bit loaded up. Kind of a late day pickup. They needed fridges picked up. Also wanted mattress in a box spring thrown on top. Oh, so we're on our way back from picking up 3 more refrigerators. So today we've picked up 6 refrigerators. Personal record. Strap your stuff down. You can never have enough straps. Because this morning on our way to our first pickup, I was driving southbound on a country road, and in the distance there was a truck coming, and he was coming over a hill that went over an interstate. And as soon as he fully came over the hill, I look behind him and I see a big orange bin behind his truck. And I don't know why this was the first thing I thought. My initial thought was, it looks like that bin is water skiing behind that truck. And it was probably 200 yards away when it crested the hill. And then we pretty quickly closed it down to 100 yards. And I applied the brake because the dumpster that was not strapped down, and it was a rolling metal dumpster, maybe a I don't know, maybe a 3 yard. It's the one they've got the big heavy casters. They're square. They've got the big heavy casters on the bottom. Anyway, it had completely come into my lane and was coming towards me. He was not slowing down. He never did slow down. And eventually, at about 50 yards away from me, and by this time I was almost stopped, that bin hit a guardrail. And it made me think of something. My very first job ever was at a tractor dealership, a Case tractor dealership, and I was the service gopher. And at the time, there were 4 locations, and I would kind of act as a courier between 3 of the locations. And I was driving an F-350 with a gooseneck, and one day one of the stores needed 12 four-wheelers that had been delivered to the store where I was working every day. So I loaded up those four-wheelers on a gooseneck, and I would strap them down every time and use multiple straps and triple and double check everything. And I would make my deliveries. Well, I only did that for a summer because I had to go back to college. And so the guy that replaced me, the first time they needed him to run four-wheelers from the store where we were working to one of the other stores, he hit a curve on a state road, and he did not strap those four-wheelers down. He lost 12 four-wheelers off the back of that gooseneck trailer. And that was his last day. So anyway, strap your stuff down efficiently. We picked up a fridge today, and I can smell the contents of the fridge from where I'm standing. So oh, that's stout. Save the neck for me, Clark. Woo! Let's oh, look at that. So, she's, oh man. Holy hell. That's horrible. Whew. Who knew sweet corn could look like brats? I just put a handful of margarine sticks in the bag. It's probably the grossest thing I've ever touched. Oh. Kate, are you breathing that in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, get in here. Let's show the people what they want to see. Oh, my God almighty. Okay. Oh, this is deer meat, I think.
Ew. Gosh.
That's strong. Our leftovers are really good.
I wonder how old all this stuff is. Maybe next time you should put gloves on.
Okay. That is all deer meat. That one was solid, at least. Oh, that is strong. Oh, man. Oh. When you go through the wrapper, that's not good. Yeah, I want to. All right. All right, that's good for now. That's all we got left. We can do it. All right.
Okay.
That is without a doubt the worst thing I've ever smelled in my life. This is the dirty side of real estate.